Since we're in the Derby spirit, I'm going to teach you how to make the Kentucky Derby's official cocktail, which is the mint julep. It's a really easy cocktail. All you need is some mint-infused simple syrup, crushed ice, and bourbon. All right, you're going to want to pack your julep cup, and this is a traditional julep cup. You usually use pewter or sterling silver. You're going to want to get it pretty full of the ice. This is really supposed to be kind of a daytime cocktail, so you're not trying to make anything too strong. You want it to be refreshing and cold. So let's see, I've got my ice packed in there. All right, so I'm going to strain out the simple syrup mint mixture so that I'm only getting the syrup part and we'll add fresh mint as the garnish. And I'm gonna do 1 ounce of that. And then 2 ounces of Old Grandad. All right, and then the last thing we're gonna do is garnish with a mint. And this is a very important step. What you need to do is spank the mint like this. And what that does is it releases the essential oils in the mint, so it makes it really fragrant. So when you've got that sticking out of your cocktail here, when you lift it up to your mouth, you're gonna be able to really smell the mint. It's very pretty and festive. Cheers.